the essay partners come to school with sack. My little nigga from Dalworth, you know what I'm saying, was getting it at the school, you know what I'm saying, shit like that, you know what I'm saying, I remember shit like that. I mean, I'm gonna remember who was hustling my nigga because I was there, you know what I'm saying, and it was other niggas getting it, you know what I'm saying, don't get me wrong, it was other niggas getting it around us, you know what I'm saying, but niggas was keeping shit on the low. Niggas weren't just out there like, just getting money like that, you know what I'm saying, the niggas getting money wasn't doing it at the school either, you know what I'm saying, cause niggas wasn't selling crack, my nigga, in, you know what I'm saying, high school like that, unless they were just not going to school. You know that's how it is, bro. But niggas was getting their hands, niggas was touching it and seeing it, and I say that, but niggas wasn't no dope boys with rims, cause if you sell crack, my nigga, you got rims and all that. Don't be like I was selling crack and you was going to school even with your mom and not really being able to, you know what I'm saying, that's like a lie, you know what I'm saying?
So what's your drug of choice? We all have our preference. But first, let me teach you a lesson. A drug can also be a television. Look up the definition before you start to question what I'm promoting. Just a special potion. It keeps me going. I'm calm like the ocean.